Hello everyone. In this session, we will be talking about how to design a DFA that accepts a string which starts with 0101 over 0, comma 1. Now you can understand the language given for automata is 0, comma 1. Now before we actually design a DFA, let us try and understand first of all which logic or which input is acceptable by the machine. Let us say if user gives 0, 0, 1, 1. Uh, can it be possible that machine accepts this input? Definitely not. But when do you conclude? When you read first 0, you conclude that first bit is correct. Let us check second bit, and if the second bit is also correct, then we would check third bit and so on so forth. But if the second bit is wrong, as in this case, you can understand second bit is 0, it is provided by user, but actually it is 1, a machine that should accept the string which is 0101. But in this case, machine has received 0 as second bit. So in this case, what should happen? At this point of time only, machine should conclude that this string is not acceptable. Okay, you can easily understand the scenario. When second bit itself is a wrong bit, third and fourth bit is useless, or I mean to say you need not check it. Checking third and fourth bit will be actually a sheer waste of time. So we do not have to check third and fourth bit if the second bit is wrong. Let's take another example. 0, 1, 0, 0. First bit is correct, then machine checks for second bit, then machine checks for third bit, and then machine checks for fourth bit. If you can understand, machine finds here 3 bits are correct, first 3 bits are correct, but fourth bit is wrong. So in this case, machine concludes at this particular point that string is not starting with 0101. Okay, so basically at this point, machine concludes that string is not starting with 0101. Okay, let's say 0101. Again, after these 4 bits, there are maybe 1000 bits like zeros and ones and some zeros and some ones in some random combination. Okay, let us try and execute this first logically. Machine reads this bit at 0, it is correct. This bit as 1, it is also correct. Third bit as 0, that is also correct. And fourth bit as 1, it is also correct. When machine reads all 4 bits correctly, what machine understands or what machine has to conclude is first 4 bits are correct. Means what? Machine has identified a string that is starting with 0101. इसके बाद क्या आने वाला है इज नॉट गोइंग टू बी चेक्ड बिकॉज ये कंडीशन ही नहीं है. हमको कंडीशन दिया है विच इज machine should accept a string that starts with 0101. Okay, if it is starting with 0101, machine should accept the string even if it is of 4 bit or even if it is of 4000 bits. ये 4 बिट्स के बाद में क्या आने वाला है is immaterial to the machine. Okay, अगर ये 4 बिट में से कोई भी एक बिट गलत होगा, then machine should conclude that it is not starting with 0101 and therefore the string is not acceptable whatever comes after wrong bits. Okay, so let us try and design the DFA. Let us say if I design Q0 as initial state, Q0 accepts first bit as input and goes to next state. So let us say it accepts 0 and goes to next state, that is Q1. Then Q1 accepts another next bit, that is 1, and goes to another next state, that is called as Q2. Q2 accepts another next correct bit, that is 0 again, and it goes to next state, that is Q3. Then it accepts another correct bit and it goes to Q4. You can understand machine has read all 4 correct bits and therefore it is reaching to Q4, which is called as a final state. I hope you remember the symbols. Final states are denoted by 2 circles. That is the reason why I have drawn here 2 circles. Okay, machine we have designed a DFA जहाँ पे कुछ states है and every state will have definite meaning. So let us establish meaning. Q0 का meaning होगा it is initial state, or we can call it as a reset state. दिस स्टेट Q1 इज अ स्टेट विच इज कॉल्ड एज, यहाँ पे हम आएंगे अगर मशीन हैज रेड सिंगल बिट 0, करेक्ट सिंगल बिट एज 0, मशीन हैज Q2 एज अ स्टेट, उसका मीनिंग होगा यहाँ पे हम आएंगे अगर 0 और 1 मशीन ने कभी करेक्ट रीड किया तो. See, these meanings are very important. Whenever it comes to designing complicated problems, the meanings play more important role. So in this problem, maybe it is simple design, but still we have to understand how to establish meanings. So 0 1 0 Q3 का मीनिंग है, यहाँ पे हम आएंगे अगर 0 1 0 ये 3 बिट करेक्टली एक्सेप्ट हुए हैं तो. एंड Q4 इट इज एक्सेप्टिंग अ स्ट्रिंग दैट स्टार्ट्स विद 0 1 0 1. ओके, अगर इनिशियली दैट मीन्स पहला ही कैरेक्टर अगर 1 आता है तो क्या होना चाहिए, इन द सेंस फर्स्ट कैरेक्टर इटसेल्फ इज 1. लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड, एवरी स्टेट एक्सेप्ट्स एवरी बिट एज इनपुट एंड रिएक्ट्स टू इट. ओके, ऐसा हो सकता है यूजर 0 इनपुट डालेगा, 1 डालेगा, इट कैन बी डैम एनीथिंग. एवरी मशीन, our machine is designed in such a way that it should be ready to accept every bit and has to respond to every bit. Okay, let it be positive or let it be negative response, but it has to accept and respond every time. All right, तो अगर machine Q0 में है and if it accepts 1 as input, what should happen? Understand, first bit itself is 1. यूजर ने दिए हुए इनपुट में पहला ही बिट अगर 1 है तो क्या होना चाहिए, it should go to a particular state called as a dead state. जो dead state का मीनिंग है, लॉजिकल मीनिंग है, ऐसा स्टेट जहां पे मशीन डज नॉट एक्सेप्ट स्ट्रिंग. नाउ सो यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड, पहला ही बिट 1 है तो डेफिनेटली सेकेंड थर्ड फोर्थ बिट चेक करने की जरूरत नहीं है. एंड द मोमेंट फर्स्ट बिट इटसेल्फ इज रॉन्ग, इसके आगे की कोई भी बिट चेक करने की जरूरत नहीं है रादर. सो इसके बाद कुछ भी आने दो, मशीन ऑलवेज स्टेज हियर. It is also called as a dead state. Okay, dead state is a state which is non-final state, and the moment we enter that state, there is no way to come out of that state. Okay, okay. Machine reaches Q1, मतलब मशीन ने अभी तक 0 ये कैरेक्टर करेक्ट प्रोसेस किया है. अगर Q1 में आने के बाद और एक 0 रीड करता है, यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड फर्स्ट एग्जाम्पल दैट आई हैड गिवन हियर 0 0 1 1. तो 2 बिट्स के बाद मशीन शुड कंक्लूड दैट इट इज नॉट एक्सेप्टेबल वॉट एवर कम्स after that. So Q1 पे अगर 0 आता है तो again it should give a same response. It should come here in the sense QD dead state. इसके बाद कुछ भी आने दो, it will always stay in QD only. Now machine has reached Q2. Q2 मतलब machine has processed 0 and 1 2 bits correctly. इसके बाद अगर 0 आता है तो path exists. You can understand here. But अगर 1 आता है, that means third bit as 1. Should it be accepted? No. As per the problem statement, third bit should be 0. But अगर third bit 1 है तो machine should go to again the same state and conclude that it is not now accepting any string because sequence का starting ही गलत हुआ है. Okay, machine has reached Q3. Q3 in the sense machine has processed 3 bits correctly, that is 0 1 0. अगर इसके बाद और एक 1 आता है, in the sense 0 1 0 1 आता है तो path exists and it reaches a final state. But if it is accepting 0 1 0 0 0 1 0 0, अगर ऐसा इनपुट आता है something like this, I had given example here, तो in that case what to do, again Q3 से machine QD में it will make a transition to, and QD is a state which says that it is a dead state. Now it is not accepting any input. Okay, every DFA should be followed by state transition table. So state transition table में 3 columns होते हैं. I hope you remember this. First column is a list of states. Second column is input 0 and third column is input 1. Okay. Set of states. Q0 is first state we have drawn. After Q0 we have drawn Q1, then Q2, then Q3, then Q4. And then QD also, we have to list QD also because it is also one of the states in our diagram or design. And machine reads Q0, what happens? See, machine reads Q0 when it is in Q0. In the sense Q0 reads 0. What happens? You can understand, it goes to Q1. Q0 reads 1. It goes to Q1. Q0 reads 0. It goes to Q1. Q0 reads 1, it goes to QD. Q1 reads 0, it goes to QD. And Q1 reads 1, it goes to Q2. Q2 reads 0, you can understand. Q2 reads 0, it goes to Q3. And Q2 reads 1, it goes to QD. You can understand here. Already it was explained in my earlier videos how to design a transition table, but still I can repeat. Q3 reads 0. देखो जरा, Q3 अगर 0 रीड करता है तो कहाँ पे ट्रांजिशन हो रहा है? QD पे. So Q3 reads 0 goes to QD. So I can write here QD. And Q3 reads 1. Q3 reads 1 goes to Q4. Okay. अभी देखो जरा, DFA का एक सिंपल रूल है, हर एक स्टेट को 2 इनपुट्स होना चाहिए, बिकॉज प्रॉब्लम में दिया है मशीन इज टू बी डिजाइन ओवर 2 इनपुट, 0 and 1. देखते हैं जरा. Q0 का 0 इनपुट भी हुआ है, 1 इनपुट भी हुआ है. Q1 का 1 भी हुआ, 0 भी हुआ. Q2 का 0 1 बोथ डन. Q3 1 0 डन. QD का 0 1 डन. Q4 देखो, Q4 में मशीन जब आएगा तब मशीन हैज एक्सेप्टेड 0 1 0 1. इसके बाद कुछ भी आने दो इन एनी सीक्वेंस, इन एनी नंबर, इट विल स्टिल एक्सेप्ट. सो वी हैव टू स्टे हियर वॉट एवर द इनपुट इज. So when machine is in Q4 and it reads 0, it still stays in Q4, or if it reads Q1, it still stays in Q4. When machine is in QD, whatever it reads, it still stays there only, QD only. Okay. ये लिस्ट में से Q0 is initial state, so it is marked with incoming arrow, and Q4 is final state, so it is marked with star. Okay. Now let us understand, अगर कोई इनपुट दिया हमको तो एग्जीक्यूट कैसे करेंगे. सो लेट अस टेक अ सिंपल रैंडम एग्जांपल 0 1 0 0 1 0. ओके. ये 0 प्रोसेस करने से पहले मशीन इज इन Q0. Q0 रीड 0. देखो कहाँ पे ट्रांजिशन हो रहा है. इट इज Q1. Q1 रीड्स 1 गोज टू Q2. Q2 रीड्स 0, इट गोज टू Q3. Q3 रीड्स 0, इट गोज टू QD. QD reads 1. देखो जरा, QD reads 1, it goes to QD only, and QD reads 0, it goes to QD only. At the end of the string, machine is found in QD. QD is non-final state. It is non-final state. So because it is non-final state, we conclude that the input given by user is not acceptable input. You can understand it is not starting with 0 1 0 1. Let us talk about another input. 0 1 0 1 0 1 1 0. ये 0 प्रोसेस करने से पहले मशीन इज इन Q0. लेट अस से it reads 0, it goes to Q1. Q1 reads 1. You can understand Q1 reads 1 goes to Q2. Q2 reads 0 goes to Q3. Q3 reads 1 goes to Q4. Q4 रीड 0. देखो जरा, Q4 में आ गया, मतलब 0 1 0 1 से स्टार्ट हो रहा है. इसके बाद कुछ भी आने दो, इट विल ऑलवेज स्टे इन Q4. देखो, इनपुट 0 इनपुट 1, इट इज ऑलवेज देयर इन Q4 ओनली. सो वॉट एवर कम्स, इट स्टिल स्टेज इन Q4 ओनली. नाउ at the end of the string, machine is found in Q4, which is final state, which is a final state. So at the end of the execution of some string, if the machine is found in final state, then we can call this as acceptable string. ऐसा string जो accept हो सकता है. You can understand at this particular point, machine concludes, maybe Q4 में जाता है और conclude करता है that it is starting with 0 1 0 1. Okay. I hope you have understood everything from this particular topic. Stay tuned to my channel. For latest updates, I will be considering various different types of problems, that is DFA starting with, DFA having, DFA ending with, then some NFA, then NFA to DFA conversion, and so on. So stay tuned to my channel. If you have understood everything, hit like button and share with your friends so that they will also get help to understand the subject in a better way. Thank you so much.